I spent 24 hours using only the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus for everything, from studying to content creation and even gaming, to see if this tablet can handle everything. Putting it through different scenarios, testing different features, and answering the ultimate question. Can this be the all-in-one tablet for you? And a huge thank you to Samsung for sponsoring this video. And starting my day, the first thing I do is a lecture review, where I go over some of the materials and textbooks of the subjects that I'm studying. But what happens when I get to something that I do not understand? And here on the Galaxy Tab S10 FE, that is no problem at all. I get Google's Circle to Search, which I can enable by pressing and holding on the home bar gesture. That brings up Circle to Search. I can then circle the concept that I do not understand, and just like magic, Google pulls up a search and gives me all of the answers that I've been looking for. Now, this is a feature I wish I had in my earlier years of university. And for homework, well, watch this. Thanks to the S Pen, which is bundled with the Galaxy Tab S10 FE when you purchase it, I can write several math equations by hand in the Samsung Galaxy Notes app, and thanks to the magic of AI, it just solves itself. If you went back in time and told younger me that this would be possible, I would have absolutely not believed you. And yet, equation after equation, the math solver feature here is guaranteed to save you several headaches when it comes to math assignments. But here's where it gets interesting. What if I want to use not one, not two, but 3 apps at the same time? For example, taking notes from a lecture while referencing my assignment while the video keeps playing. And on this tablet, this is no problem at all. Thanks to the multi-window feature here, I can easily multitask so that I get the best out of my experience. You can split apps in a variety of configurations with no limits to what you can do. Which means that with the combination of both hardware and AI features here on the Galaxy Tab S10 FE, I have no excuse not to be getting A+ in every single subject. I mean, don't tell my lecturer I've got this, okay? Now moving on to the afternoon, and this is prime creativity time. Now, one thing that is great about this tablet is that it's pre-installed with professional apps such as LumaFusion for video editing and Clip Studio Paint for creating amazing digital art. Now, this is where the Samsung ecosystem helped me here, because I shot footage on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and for audio, I have the wonderful Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, meaning that it's time to get editing. Now, LumaFusion here is genuinely a professional video editing software with all of the bells and whistles that you would expect from a non-linear editor. It's got titles, it's got effects, and I'll be making use of all of those today. Now here, I'm editing actual footage, and thanks to the bundled keyboard that you get with the Galaxy Tab S10 FE, I was actually able to get through this edit surprisingly quickly, especially because I could execute my shortcuts, and the Galaxy Tab S10 FE kept up with me every step of the way. No, seriously, like side note, this is actually pretty impressive. Now, checking out Clip Studio Paint, and it is actually pre-installed here, which is crazy because it has a redeemable $50 included here, or the equivalent of a few months of free trial, which is absolutely incredible because this is a desktop grade app. And while using Clip Studio Paint, I get to see the pressure sensitivity and brush dynamics of the included S Pen here, which again, let me remind you, is bundled with the tablet. The sensitivity feels natural. I can see where the combination of all the features here will be great for someone who does a lot of digital art. If you're an artist, let me know what you think about Clip Studio Paint, and would you use it here on the Galaxy Tab S10 FE? And after a long day of studying and creativity, in the evening, it's time to game. And here on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, I'll start by playing Genshin Impact, which I'll tell you right now is a game I've been playing for a while and I really enjoy playing. And I don't know about you, but I just find it therapeutic to clear my daily quests here on Genshin Impact. I like that it's structured, it gives me something to do, and I can just hop in, clear it, and also hop out. Now, this tablet has a 90Hz refresh rate and it's definitely noticeable. But how does the Exynos 1580 actually perform? And the next game I'm going to be playing is Wuthering Waves. I only recently just started playing it, and in fact I'm still in a lot of tutorial areas. And much like Genshin, I also love how this game looks, especially on this bigger Galaxy Tab S10 FE+. And even after gaming for a while, one thing I like here on this tablet is it generally remains cool and it does not get hot to the touch, which is fantastic because I can just game for longer without having to worry about going to the hospital for third-degree burns. IP68 water resistance means that I can just bring this tab here, rinse it underwater, and it should still be good to go. And of course this is an exaggeration, but in everyday use you can be rest assured that this tablet can handle spills or accidental water no problem. And after a full days of use, this tablet has handled everything that I've thrown at it like a champ, with enough battery left to maybe even scroll social media in bed. And at no point in the day or evening did I think that I needed to charge this, which is just how good the battery is. And wrapping up a very packed day with the Galaxy Tab S10 FE+, it is simply amazing that we get several features such as the bundled S Pen, AI, the keyboard, an IP68 dust and water resistance rating, and more for just 2,699 Malaysian ringgit, which is very competitive compared to all the other offerings out there. There's also a smaller 10.9-inch S10 FE version retailing at 2,199 ringgit only. Again, an absolute steal for all the features you are getting here on these tablets. Now be sure to let me know which one is your favorite feature, and if you had this tablet, what would you use it for? Would you use it as a study tool, create amazing videos, or just sit back and game on a massive display? I would really love to know. Another huge shout out to Samsung for this incredible tablet and for sponsoring this video. I've been your captain of awesome, this is Geekception, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!